Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the cute Husky Pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing the head. Draw an upside down U-curve. Now inside on the left, draw a curve down to the side and out a little bit. And then at the bottom of this line, add the nose with a rounded triangle shape. And then color it in black. Next, in the middle of the curved line, draw a short line over. And then a curve up and down to the right side, leaving a small gap here. Now, draw a line across to the side. Let's draw the eyes next. In the left section, draw a curve. And now color it in black. Now let's draw the right eye with a circle here. And color it in black as well. Next, add some fur on the right side with 3 pointed V shapes. Then, starting under the nose, curve it down and to the right to close off the bottom of the head. Let's draw the ears next. On the top right, draw a curve here. And then a curved V-shape up for the shape of the ear. Now erase the headline inside the ear. Next, add a border inside along both sides like this. Let's draw the other ear now. Draw a V-shape up on the top left. And then add one more curve inside along the left. Draw the body next with a curve starting under the head, down over to the right, and back up into the side of the head. Now inside, draw a curved V-shape at the top left. And then another one to the right. Now a longer one down. And then a curved zigzag line to the right. Let's draw the tail now. Draw a curved V-shape up on the right side. And then add a curve at the end. Let's draw the feet now. Draw a curved semicircle under the middle of the body like this. And then 2 more, one on the right side and one on the left. Then draw the 4th foot with 2 curves down in the middle under the body. And a curve across the bottom. And that's it for this cute Husky Pet. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!